In this video, you'll learn how to find your OKX wallet address. By following these steps, you will be able to locate your wallet address quickly and easily within the OKX app. Start by opening the OKX app on your mobile device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will help improve the loading speed of the app and reduce any potential delays during the process. Once the app is open, locate the wallet icon at the bottom of the screen. This icon typically looks like a wallet and is usually positioned in the main navigation menu. Tap on Wallet to proceed. Next, you will see several options related to your wallet. Look for the Web3 wallet option and tap on it. This will direct you to the section where you can manage your Web3 assets and wallet settings. At the top of the screen, you will see your wallet name displayed prominently. Tap on your wallet name to access more details and options related to your wallet. After this, look for the Receive button on the screen. This button is essential as it allows you to receive funds into your wallet. Note that this button is labeled Receive instead of Deposit, which is a key distinction to remember. Now tap on the Receive button. This action will prompt a new screen to appear where you can select the type of cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Choose your desired crypto from the list provided. Once you make your selection, your wallet address along with a QR code will be displayed. You can easily copy the address by tapping on the copy icon, or you can share the QR code directly with others to facilitate the transfer of funds. This wallet address is crucial for receiving cryptocurrency, so ensure you have it accurately copied or shared. If you are dealing with large transactions, double check that you have the correct address to avoid any potential loss of funds.